Welcome to the Easy, Medium, Hard Science Challenge. Today's challenge contains 50 science questions that start easy, become more difficult, and finally test even the biggest science fans. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question. Each correct answer gives you 1 point. Ready? Let's begin. Which planet is known as the Red Planet?
Mars.
What gas do humans need to breathe to survive? Oxygen. Which part of a plant absorbs water from the soil?
Roots.
What is the center of our solar system? The sun. How many legs does an insect have?
Six.
Which organ pumps blood through the human body? Heart. Water freezes at what temperature in Celsius? (0°C). Which force pulls objects toward Earth? Gravity. Which planet do humans live on? Earth. Which sense organ helps us see?
Eyes.
Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Which animal is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. How many planets are in our solar system?
Eight.
Which state of matter has a fixed shape and volume?
Solid.
Which vitamin is mainly produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the chemical symbol for gold? AU. Which blood cells help fight infections? White blood cells. Which device converts electrical energy into light?
Bulb.
Which particle has a negative charge? Electron. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? 100 degrees Celsius. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere. Which scientist is associated with gravity and the falling apple story? Isaac Newton. Which part of the cell contains genetic material? Nucleus. Which instrument measures temperature? Thermometer. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. Which scientist invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Which process powers the sun? Nuclear fusion. Which organ filters waste from the blood? Kidneys. Which force opposes motion between surfaces? Friction. Which scientist proposed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What is the pH value of pure water? Seven. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Which layer protects Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays? Ozone layer. What is the smallest unit of an element that retains its properties? Atom. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Artery. Which law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction? Newton's third law. What is the approximate speed of light in a vacuum? (300,000 kilometers per second). Which type of wave carries sound through the air? Mechanical wave. What is the study of fossils called? Paleontology. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. Which subatomic particle determines an element's atomic number?
Proton.
What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Barometer. Which type of rock is formed from cooled lava or magma? Igneous. Which branch of science studies earthquakes? Seismology. Which element has atomic number 1? Hydrogen. What is the basic unit of heredity in living organisms?
Gene.
Which process allows plants to make food using sunlight? Photosynthesis. What is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape called? Event horizon. Time to count your score. Comment your final score below and challenge your friends to beat it. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more science quizzes and challenges. See you in the next challenge.